Hi, hello everyone, welcome to Jet to Mastery. In this video we are going to solve sum of odd and even digits. Let me explain the question first. So my input is 1234. So my output is, this is sum of odd digit and this is sum of even digits. So what are all the odd digits present in my input? So that is 1, another one is 3. These two are the odd digits. So when I sum up with 1 and 3, so my output will be 4. Okay, so what are all the odd digits present in my input? 2 and 4. So when I sum up with these two, so my output will be 6. 2 plus 4 is 6. So guys, we have solved already sum of digits, right? So whoever doesn't watch the question of sum of digit, please watch it, then continue with this program, right? Because the sum of digits and sum of odd and even digits are interrelated. So please watch that video, then continue with this program. Okay, so that is our previous question. Okay, so in this case, first let's get the input from user scanner scn equal to new scanner system dot in int n equal to scn dot next int. Okay, after that I needed two variable to store two kind of answer. One is to sum of odd number, odd sum, another one is to sum of even variable, even digit, right? So for that I am declaring two variable int odd sum. OS means odd sum is equal to 0. Initially it will start with 0. Then int even sum is equal to 0. That is a two variable. Fine. After that, what I have to do, I have to fetch all the digits from any direction. It is up to you. You can take the digits from left to right or right to left. But in this problem, I am going to take from right to left. So let's take while my n is greater than 0. So first get the last digit. How to get? Int last digit is equal to n mod 10. Fine. After that, what I have to do, I have to check whether my last digit is, if my last digit is even, I have to add even sum variable. If it is a odd, I have to add odd sum variable. That's it. So if my last digit, and you know how to, right? You know how to find out whether the given number is odd or even. Suppose if you don't know that, please watch it. I have posted the videos already. So my last digit remainder of 2 is equal to 0 means, okay, that is a even digit. So I have to add even sum equal to even sum plus that last digit. That's it. If suppose it doesn't satisfy this if condition, absolutely the last digit is odd variable, odd digit. So I'm going to add with odd sum equal to odd sum plus my last digit. That's it, guys. After that, update your n value. So your n is n by 10. Once I have fetched the last digit, I am going to destroy the last digit. That's it. That is the meaning of this line number 26. So finally print your variable system dot out dot println of your odd sum. After that your even sum. System dot out dot println of your even sum. Right? Even sum. Fine. So let's run the code. We'll check whether it is working or not. Okay, 1234. My odd sum will be 4. My even sum will be 6. We'll check. Yes, absolutely. My odd sum will be 4 and even sum will be 6. This is what I am expecting. And I got my concern output as well. So I hope you have understood this concept, guys. So I will catch up in next interesting problem. Until then, bye bye. Take care.